A perfect afternoon at Nashville Shelby Park, and there's activity in the sky, in the trees, and on the water. Geese tour the lake. A robin dances through this field, perhaps in search of a plump worm. Meantime, some humans, young birders like Keegan Goner, are quietly close by, binoculars in hand, giving the eye to all feathered species.
I've learned so many new birds and have even started learning some of their Latin names like for the American robin and stuff. And I've just learned so much from this group that I would have had this experience if I didn't join this club.
Yeah, what's the Latin name for robin?
Turdus migratorius.
Wow.
Keegan and Carlos Velez are active with the 4-H Bird Club in Davidson County and led by UT-TSU Extension agent Andy Lance. They typically meet with other bird watchers on Saturdays and recently spotted more than 30 species at Shelby Park in just a 2-hour period.
That's why I love it so much, because you never know what you're going to get. It's really part of it is about the excitement, because there's some birds that you're going to see every time, like cardinals, but then maybe you see a great blue heron, maybe you see a kestrel. I think that's part of why I find birding so entertaining.
These young 4-Hers are also counting here. They're helping to do bird inventories, contributing to population estimates for many species. A modern-day twist on bird watching, Andy is able to call birds with an app on his mobile device. Lance calls his 4-Hers citizen scientists and says they learn much more here than just species identification. There are STEM concepts, science, technology, engineering, and math, as well as personal skills.
It allows you to do a lot of problem solving, a lot of math work as we're going through it, and a lot of just kind of thinking about what you know, and what you don't know, and kind of working through those as you try to figure out what you're seeing and patterns that you notice over time.
The birders will collect data for the National Audubon Society and are also producing their own bird podcast these days. It's been said you can't know something exists until you see it. Here kids are watching and learning lessons on life and nature. This is Charles Denny reporting.